Got my old 1976 Sears John boat registered and waited to be out on the water. Been out testing it. The little clone motor's been doing pretty good. Got my lights. Seems to do pretty good. Doesn't go too fast with just the old clone motor. But it does pretty good. Gets you up to about 4.5, 5 miles an hour, just one person in it. Definitely want an outboard still. It's pretty agile. Actually, pretty good handling. Definitely could use a bigger motor though. You can tell. It's pretty good though, just the old clone motor. It likes to be deep in the water. But yeah, definitely looking forward to building this thing out a little bit. Getting me a new foil, and good thing is it doesn't leak any, which is real nice. But just been out testing it a little bit. See y'all.